Never a dull moment here on the PCT. Had a little excitement flying in from Seattle to Bend, Oregon. We had the detour to Portland. Our hydraulic system went out in our jet. Had to do an emergency landing and had all the fire trucks lined up on the runway waiting for us. Never a dull moment on the Pacific Crest Trail. Getting back on the Pacific Crest Trail here at Rosary Lakes Trailhead. Actually, this is my second time back to this trailhead today. I hiked in about 4 miles. Had a water filter failure, which was my fault. I think it was an old one that was all clogged up with Arizona hard water deposits. And I was able to just buy one off a guy that was just coming off the trail. So that was pretty awesome. But anyway, getting back on trail. See what I can do here today now. Always expect the unexpected here on the Pacific Crest Trail. You never know what's going to happen. Hey, good morning. It is August 7th here on the Pacific Crest Trail. It is a beautiful morning here. I'm at Lower Rosary Lake here on the Pacific Crest Trail, mile marker 1911. Smoke's cleared out quite a bit today, but man, what a beautiful day. Looking forward to getting in a few miles here today and doing a little bit of exploring. But these are the kind of days I always look forward to. And especially after being in the smoke, with the smoke clearing up quite a bit, looks like it's gonna be a very enjoyable day. Have an awesome day. Take it easy. Catch you later. Lower Rosary Lake. Beautiful, huh? Coming up to check out the Maiden Peak shelter here on the Pacific Crest Trail. This is actually a ski shelter, but they leave it open for hikers here in the summertime. And I heard it was one of the bigger shelters here on the trail. And wow, this thing is nice. It looks like a full-blown cabin. Someplace that you might actually want to stay. Pretty darn nice. Let's see if the door's open here. Go in here and check it out. Ooh, hope there's not any axe murderers around here. All right, here we go. Whoop. Got a stove. Check this out. Pretty dang cool. Place to sleep there, and then upstairs. And it looks like we've even got solar lights and stuff in here, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, really cool. No candles or flame allowed in the cabin. That's good. Okay, go on upstairs and check it out. Oh, let's check this out too. Look at this. Ah, pretty cool drawing there somebody did. Little artistry here. And looks like we've got a PCT log here and shelter stewardship information. Pretty dang cool. And spin you back around. There's the door I came in, stove. And I'll take you upstairs in just 1 second. I gotta take my pack off. Here we go, up the ladder. This should be the sleeping area up here. Old legs. And yeah, get up here just a little higher. Hopefully my exposure will adjust. Maybe not. But what it is, it's kind of a loft area where you throw down your sleeping bags and your your pads and get all comfy. Pretty darn nice, pretty darn nice. Pretty nice camp spot here on the lake tonight. Check it out. Beautiful, huh? And look where my tent's at. Right there. Not bad, huh? Good morning. Some mornings you wake up, you just gotta enjoy the beauty that's you're surrounded with. Chill, have a nice cup of coffee, eat breakfast, and just take advantage of the situation. That's what I'm doing right now. Giving myself about 10 more minutes before I hit the trail and start beating my legs up again. But man, what a beautiful day. Take it easy. A little more burn here on the Pacific Crest Trail. These fires are horrible. Beautiful trail here in Oregon. I love this green stuff, especially all the new growth on the pine trees. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool meadow here. Made it to Elk Lake. I think I'm just gonna take 5, eat a burger here, some fries, have a beer, and probably camp out here tonight and then hit it again tomorrow. A little delay, I'm moving a little slower, only did 15 today, but what the heck. Beautiful view up here today. Man, I love it. Thank you, Lord. It is awesome. Here on the beautiful Pacific Crest Trail. Check out the mountains with the clouds and stuff. We're in the Three Sister Wilderness area right now. I think we're looking at the sisters right there. Man, awesome day. I think what's really cool though is this mountain over here behind me. I'll flip this camera around so you get a good view of that thing, man. Have an awesome day. Make it a good one. Live a good story. Take it easy. Oregon, you gotta love it. Nice and green in the 70s and lots of shade. place for a Phoenician to be. There is no doubt I'm in the middle of the volcanoes here in the Sisters Wilderness. Man, these mountains are beautiful. And it's funny, you look at them and they don't look that old. Since they don't have trees and everything on them. But of course, tree lines are much, much lower here in Oregon than it is in Arizona and California. But yeah, these mountains are awesome. Hey, good morning. It is August 11th. Been away from home for 139 days. I don't remember how many days I was in Seattle, but probably about 2 weeks. So I am working my way up toward Timberline Lodge, maybe Ramona Falls. Kind of put the pieces together here on the PCT. Sounds like most of Washington is on fire right now, unfortunately, which totally stinks. I'll have to figure out what Nick and I are planning on doing as far as trying to do a section up in Washington. And so anyway, right now, it's off to Bend. Once I make it to Bend, resupply, and then hit the trail again. Take it easy, man. Have an awesome day. Wow, look at all that smoke over there in the horizon coming off the fires up there. Pretty sad. Hopefully I'm not breathing much of that. This is such a nice trail here. It's hard to believe it's the PCT, it's so smooth. Obsidian Falls. PCT also takes you through the moon. Hiking the moonscape today. Woo! Hey guys. I am here at McKenzie Pass right now. Mile marker 1984 here on the Pacific Crest Trail. And I hate to say it, but I think I am gonna call it here for 2024. We've got fires burning all up in Washington right now. And I'm in the smoke now here. I'm still in Oregon. But I'm struggling right now. My legs are just killing me. I think I've got a little injury. I need to either take a few days off and rest and then reevaluate, or just call it here. And with this fire and smoke and everything else, I think I am just gonna call it right here and then come back and finish this Pacific Crest Trail up as a section hike. Tried it in 2023, got 1,100 miles. 2024, I haven't totaled up my mileage yet. I know I've got over, 1,400, plus. So I'll see where I end up with that mileage. But yeah, you know, I hate to say it, but with the injury, I'm just not enjoying it anymore. So I'm gonna get off. It's all about having fun out here and the journey, and it's been awesome. It has been a really, really good trip. And you know what? I'd keep pushing on at least a Timberline Lodge if it wasn't for this darn leg. But you know, with this leg, I think I am gonna call it here. Tough decision. But man, it's been an awesome journey, and I recommend you guys give it a shot. Get out here and have some fun on the trail. And nothing else, just go out for a day hike. There's some really good hikes around here too. You could just hit little pieces of this thing. Well, that's it for now. Take it easy and be kind, and have an awesome day. We'll catch up with you later. Bye.